You've got to hold your head up high and walk like a man. Just tell yourself you can, and you'll find that you can. Lord, as I lay here tonight and reminisce in this dull light, I think of how my dad used to look down at me and say, "Son, I hope you try to be like me someday." And I'd smile back and say, "Dad, you're gonna see that day." Then, of course, I was only small, and Dad, well, he was real tall. But Lord, the years have come and gone, and gee, the time sure does fly. You see, my dad's a leader of a big country band, and to me, is the best one in this whole land. But Lord, my dad isn't around much anymore. It just isn't like it was before. Oh sure, Mom does real good bring me up the way she should. But Lord, she just doesn't fill the part, the space for my dad in my heart. And Lord, I can still remember how we used to play the guitar, and I'd say to myself, my dad's gonna go real far. So Lord, while he's still around to see, help make him proud of me. And Lord, please help him on his way to fame. And Lord, please help me do the same. When you're down and out, the world just don't give a damn. So hold your head up high and walk, yes, walk like a man.